Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to ascend Lioncrest Watchtower in Crimson Desert. All right, let's begin. First, you need to light your arrows on fire to progress in the Where the Light Leads quest. Equip your bow using the right trigger, then hold the arrow above a brazier until it ignites. Make sure to position it slightly above the flame so it catches properly. Once the arrow is lit, aim and shoot it at the branches blocking the tower's gate. Simply create a fire and unlock the next path. After that, head inside the watchtower. You will encounter traps along the way. Instead of jumping over them, you can safely disable them by striking them with your sword. Continue clearing each trap as you move upward through the tower. When you reach the top, interact with a suspicious helm, lock onto it and pick it up, then equip it from your inventory. Navigate to the armor section and access the memory associated with the helm. Once you activate it, the quest will conclude. So that's basically how you can ascend Lioncrest Watchtower in Crimson Desert. That's it for this video. Thanks.